Hello, welcome back to Coding Everywhere. Today we'll continue writing our simulation program in Python. In the last video, we wrote code to generate a trajectory where the ball is touching the ceiling. To achieve that goal, we had to give the ball an initial momentum. I will just run the program again as a reminder. And in the meantime, I will write the code to model the bouncing from the ceiling. This code will be very similar with the bouncing from the floor, and I will copy that code and adjust it for the ceiling. I'll paste it here. So we have if y is larger or equal than the y of the ceiling less the radius of the ball, then y will be equal with L minus R. Then the velocity on the y direction will change sign, so it should be downward, but we have to take away the escape velocity, so we have to add the escape velocity because Vy it's a negative entity. If this Vy ends up being larger than 0, then we will make it 0. Okay, I will save and run this code, and let's see if the bouncing is done right. So the ball is sliding on the ramp, hitting the floor, bouncing from the right wall, bouncing from the ceiling, very good. Goes back to the floor, left wall. Due to our modeling, it's losing energy, so our test passed. We will run some more tests in the future videos, but it seems like our algorithm is running fine. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe to Coding Everywhere channel to be updated whenever new videos are uploaded.